Welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to look at division of numbers using the long division method. We have some examples for that illustration. We start with the first example, which is 350 divided by 2. So 315 divided by 2, you will take the number and then you use the long division sign. So 315 divided by 2, first of all, you will find if 3 is divisible by 2. So we have only 3 can divide it as 2 only once. So you divide by 2, you'll get 2 and then a remainder of 1. Then you write that one and then you drop 5. 5 divided by 2 will have 7 because of 14, and then you have remainder of 1. So that one which remains, you will also leave it as the remainder, and then you drop 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then your final answer is 175. Then we move to the next example, which is 174 divided by 2. So first of all, you divide 1 divided by 2. It's not possible, so you can go to 17. 17 divided by 2, you'll have 8 because of 16, and then a remainder of 1, and then thereafter you drop 4. When you drop 4, you'll have 14 divided by 2, it gives you 7. So that number is now, the final answer is 87. We move to the third example, which is 417 divided by 3. So 417 divided by 3, you start by dividing, we start with 4, where we have 1, remainder 1, and then you drop 1, so we have 11. If you divide 11 by 3, you'll get 9. 9 because of 3 times 3, so you have 3 because of 9, and then you drop we have remainder 2, and then you drop 7. When you drop 7, you'll have 27. 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9, and that is 27. The number now is over. The final answer is 139. We have the fourth example, which is 1075 divided by 5. So we start with 1. 1 is not divisible by 5, so we can go to 10, where you can divide by 5 to get 2. Then you drop 7. 7 divided by 5, you have 1, and then remainder 2. Then you drop 5, you'll have 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. The final answer is 215. Now, have you subscribed to our channel? Kindly subscribe and continue watching the remaining videos and the other part of the video. So we continue with our examples, but before going to the next example, kindly subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We move to the next example, which is example number 5, 1132 divided by 4. So first of all, in divide 1 is not divisible by 4, so you have 11. 11 you divide by 4, you'll have 2 because of 8, and then you have a remainder of 3. Then you drop the other 3, you have 33. Divide by 4, you'll have 8 because of that 2, and then we have a remainder of 1. We drop the remaining 2, so you'll have 12. Divided by 4, you have 3. So the number is over, and our final answer is 283. We move to the next example, which is our next example is 34,700 divided by 4. So we'll divide 34,700 by 4. We start with 3 is not divisible by 4, so we'll take 34. 34 you have 8 because of that 2, and then you drop 2. You have a remainder of 2, which is now dropped, and then you drop 7, you have 27. Divide by 4, you'll have 6 because of 24, and then you'll have a remainder of 3, then you drop 0, that gives you 30. 13 divided by 4, you'll have 7 because of 28, so you have 28. 30 minus 28, the remainder is 2. Then you'll have to drop the last digit, which is 0, so you have 20. Divided by 4, you'll have 5, and then that number will be over because 5 times 4 is 20. And then when you subtract, you get 0, 0. So that means our final answer is 8,675. So learners, our viewers, this is how we do the division using the long division method. Thank you for being part of our class and subscribing to our channel. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, share, comment, and continue being part of us. Thank you.